Yo, what's up YouTube? This is Alex Keep. Welcome to my YouTube video. Today's gonna be on how to make a plant-based meal or a healthy plant-based option, especially if you're trying to lean down or you're trying to lose fat. Alright, so let's get to it, y'all. Alright, y'all, so this is what I use. I use Beyond Beef as my plant-based protein. I use 1 egg. Then I have my broccoli right here. Spinach. And we got bell peppers. Alright? And then these are just my seasoning that I use. You can use whatever seasoning you prefer. So I got sriracha, I got black pepper, chili powder, garlic powder, and ground paprika. Alright, so you want to warm up on the skillet real quick. I use canola oil. Spray it out. Leave it at medium high for about like 3 to 5 minutes, and then I'll start adding my Beyond Beef patty. Just let it sit in there. Yeah, so you want to make sure each side is simmering for about 5 minutes, and then you want to flip it over. Make sure it's on medium high. Alright, after you flip both sides for about 5 minutes, I usually add my broccoli. And then once you throw the broccoli in here, set it to about, I don't know, between medium and low, and then just put that over for about 5 to 7 minutes. After that, I'll just do this, stir it around, and I'll just start adding the veggies. So I'll add the bell peppers, and add a handful of spinach, and just stir it all around. And after that, I'll just put the lid back on for about a few minutes. And you want to make sure you open the lid and just stir it around. Make sure it's not overcooked, because a lot of times when you overcook it, you can lose a lot of the nutrients. And when it's almost done, I'll just add an egg, just to add a little bit of flavor. And then I'll stir it around. So it looks like it's already done. So the last part I'll do is I'll start adding the seasoning. Now, the reason why you don't want to add seasoning in the middle or in the beginning is because it's gonna dry out the meat. So I usually add it towards the end. All right. So let's see how it looks. Man, that looks good. Woo! 5-star right here, baby. But that's it, y'all. That's how y'all can make a healthy plant-based protein meal all at home with less than 7 minutes. Alright, if you guys like this video, don't forget to comment below. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Instagram at SickPerformance. Until then, we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, y'all.